Hello and welcome to Fox Tech. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to disable auto lock on your iPhone. Auto lock is a feature that automatically locks your screen after a certain period of inactivity, enhancing security and conserving battery life. However, there might be times when you want to keep your screen on for longer periods, and I'll guide you through how to adjust or disable this feature. First, let's navigate to the settings where you can adjust the auto lock feature. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Display and Brightness. Once you're in this menu, you'll see an option called Auto Lock. Tap on it and you'll be presented with several interval options ranging from 30 seconds to 5 minutes and an option to set it to never. Choosing any of these intervals will determine how long your screen stays on without any interaction before it locks automatically. If you want to prevent your iPhone from automatically locking, you can set auto lock to never. However, keep in mind that this will consume more battery as your screen will stay on indefinitely until you manually lock it. It's generally not a good idea to keep auto lock set to never because you might forget your phone somewhere and it will continue to drain the battery until it runs out entirely. It's a balance between convenience and conserving battery life. If you find that the auto lock option is grayed out, it's likely because low power mode is enabled. Low power mode is designed to conserve battery by disabling certain features, including the ability to change auto lock settings. To disable low power mode, go back to the main settings menu, tap on battery, and turn off low power mode. Once you've done this, you can return to the auto lock settings and set it to never if desired. Auto lock is a useful feature for several reasons. It enhances security by locking your device when it's not in use, conserves battery life by turning off the screen automatically, prevents accidental taps and screen interactions, and protects sensitive information from unauthorized access. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable auto lock on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Fox Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.